Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have a quick Valentine's Day themed haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've recently added to my collection. Let's start this Valentine's Day haul with paper trail plans. When most shops started releasing their Valentine's themed stickers in December, I was so not ready to start shopping at all. And so come January, I didn't have anything. And I messaged Paper Trail Plans and I was like, hey, you planning on coming out with anything for Valentine's Day? Because I have nothing. And they came out with the most gorgeous release that I am so excited about. So this is the freebie that came with my order, and this is in rose gold foil. And I'm so glad to have some more of these. These are kiss cut, and I really love the design of this trim. And then it's got the month script and Valentine's Day. Oh, and they're on white paper, which is really nice because I keep ordering their scripts and things on transparent matte paper, which I am not mad about. I love their transparent matte paper, but I've been thinking about white paper lately. Anywho, and then a couple of frames, so super cute freebie, and then the Valentine's things. Oh, I did get all three, and it's so funny because I think initially I had a feeling that what I would need for the month of February, because I have both Valentine's Day and then my wedding anniversary is also in the month of February, so I knew I was gonna have a lot of love themed spreads coming up for February, and so I figured I would probably end up needing both gold and rose gold between those two spreads, and then whatever I decide to do for my monthly and for my dashboard spread. And yet I did pick up silver, which makes me really happy because despite the fact that I'm pretty sure I'll only need gold and rose gold, I really like having all three of the classic foils. This is so beautiful. I love the mix of the scripts and then the cute little images and then the drop hearts and the arrows. This is so adorable and I love this. It's like the cutest little sampler where you just get a mix of different things all together. Love that. And then, wait, this should be with this. Okay, so I did get all three of these in gold, silver, and rose gold as well, and I thought this was so cute. I love the hands holding. I'm so obsessed with this one with the intertwined pinky fingers. Too adorable. Love this so much. And then we have these hearts, which I thought these were just the absolute cutest. They're like watercolor hearts, so they had the pink lemonade colorway and then the bubblegum pink, and I love these. They're on transparent matte paper, and so it's gonna go on almost like a brush stroke, but like just a super sheer wash of color on the page and just look absolutely adorable. And I love that. So I have the two smaller ones, and then I got the larger size as well. And I just think that's just gonna be so fun to layer these together because the size difference between these two hearts is just gonna be so cute together. Oh, I love that so much. And then I also picked up these heart washi strips because washi strips have become just such an extreme obsession for me lately. I find these so incredibly useful across every single type of spread that I do. I use washi strips in my weekly spreads, monthly spreads, dashboard spreads, and now my journaling spreads. These have become one of the most versatile and multi-used types of stickers in my collection. I really find washi length stickers so incredibly useful in my planning, and I love these. And of course, needed to have the hearts for Valentine's Day. And then while I was there picking up my Valentine's Day order, I realized, you know what? Let's go. Oh no, I know what made me realize this. I was doing my December monthly spread and went to mark New Year's Eve in gold foil and realized I did not have New Year's Eve in gold foil. And I feel like when it comes to monthly scripts, I've a lot in my collection, and it feels like every single year I tend to use some of the same words in the same foil color. And so while I had New Year's Eve in silver, I think, and in rose gold, I didn't have it in gold because I'd used it multiple years in a row. And so I feel like I keep collecting holiday scripts, and some of them in certain colors never get used because the types of kits that we are using at certain times of the year are pretty much the same. So it's like 4th of July, like I know that most likely that's going to be used in silver foil. Rarely is my 4th of July kit going to be in rose gold foil, you know? I feel like there are certain foils that are more popular at different times of the year. It's good to have them all. Plus, I'm really happy to have added this font to my collection of holiday scripts because this is my favorite script. I love the script from Paper Trail Plans. It is my favorite thing ever and why I fell in love with their shop in the first place. The shop is Sadie Stickers, and lucky for me, she re-released her Valentine's Day collection in January because when she originally released it in December, like I said, I was not ready to start shopping and I didn't pick up anything. So as soon as I saw she was re-releasing, I was like, yes, perfect. I'll have stuff for Valentine's Day, yay. But this is my freebie. I am on her PR team, and you'll find my code to actually all the shops in this haul in the description box. So you can go ahead and check out my discount codes if you want to pick up anything from any of these shops at a discount. And if you put my name in the notes to seller for Sadie Stickers, this is the freebie that you'll receive. And so let's start with these. So these are from her $2 Tuesdays, and I think I did just get these just in gold and rose gold because I felt like, yeah, those are the foil colors. I think at that point I knew that my kits for February were primarily gold and rose gold. So I picked up the dotted heart divider. Absolutely adorable. And oh my god, these ones might be my absolute favorite. Look at how cute this is. I love this. It's like, I don't even know how, like, this is the heart foliage divider, and they're like, they look almost like leaves, but they're heart shaped. Just adorable. I cannot. It's just, oh, too cute. I also picked up the heart date dots. That just felt like simple and totally appropriate. I think the kit that I'm using for Valentine's Day for sure is rose gold foiled. And I'm assuming, since I did not pick that up in gold foil, I must have known at that point what my Valentine's kit is going to be. And then I have the heart Garland Dangle, which I got both gold and rose gold, which I am really, really loving garlands right now. This has been like a huge turnaround for me when it's come to garlands because it took me a while to get into them, but the pre-layered ones in particular have just been such a joy to use in my planning, and I am thrilled to have this. And then of course, like I said, because I am beyond obsessed with washi length stickers, I did of course pick up her dotted heart washi strip stickers, and just fabulously kiss cut, beautifully foiled on transparent matte paper. It's gonna look so great on the page and just be such a fantastic addition to whatever spread I use it on. Last but not least, in this very quick mini haul from Tay, this shop is Crafts by Thaowie, and you saw, I think it was my last, or not last haul, but the one right before that, I mentioned that I absolutely needed to pick up some more icons from Crafts by Thaowie because I go through them rather quickly, and I was actually running out of my gold foiled YouTube icons, but since I used this rather frequently, I thought, yeah, you might want to restock on all 3 of those foil colors. That just makes sense, sweetie. I also picked up the Stethoscopes, another icon I was absolutely running out of. I think I'm completely out in rose gold, running super low in gold, and so I needed to get some more of these. So these are her Stethoscopes. I also picked up her church stickers in gold foil because I'm completely out in gold foil. And then the sick day, I got some more of these, and these look like she's updated them since the last time I had them. There's a little mug of like tea next to the Kleenex box. That's so cute. The ones I had before just had the little Kleenex boxes, which I already thought was adorable, but now it's got the little tea next to it. Oh my god. Oh, I adore. And then I also picked up her little nail polishes. The other ones I had before, I think, was version 2.0 of her nail polish, which is a bit wider. And I like this one because it's narrower. Oh, that was a fun word to try to say. But yeah, this is a slimmer. There we go. This is a slimmer icon. Makes it easier to layer on certain things if I'm working with like smaller spaces and want to make sure I have plenty of room to write next to it or something like that. Especially with all the layering that I do, that feels right for me. And then we have her Payday Icon, which I love this icon, super fond of it, and use it both in my weekly spreads and monthly spreads, which is how I've gone through that one so quickly. And then I needed more of my brow lash stickers. I use these to mark my eyelash appointments because I have eyelash extensions and I get them done every 2 weeks. And Autumn wiped out my rose gold supply of eyelash stickers because all of my kits in Autumn were rose gold, and same with my credit card, which I use to mark shopping for things. Right after needing the icons, I realized I also needed to pick up these florals because the Valentine's Day kit, see, I did know exactly what my Valentine's Day kit was going to be. My Valentine's Day kit is this Love is Sweet kit, and it's got rose gold foil, so beautiful. And I did have one deco sheet, and so I picked up 3 more to make sure I had plenty enough deco to use with this kit. I am on her PR team, and this was sent to me as PR. Thank you so much, Tao. Incredibly kind and thoughtful, and seriously, oh my god, look at how perfect this is. This is so beautiful. This kit is called Bloom. I love this little hanging sign with the flower shop over the cute little buckets and pails with the florals in it, the butterflies. Oh, wow, look at that. The window scene. Oh, I love that. A flower does not think of competing with the flowers next to it. It just blooms. That quote is everything. Okay, so we've got our 9 full boxes here. I think I already said, but this is foiled in rose gold foil. At the bottom, we've got some scalloped headers. Super cute. Okay, it stuck to my finger. Go back, go back. On this page, we have, I love the way she's configured her box page because it fits so many fantastic boxes on here. And then you get your amazing half boxes, third boxes, quarter boxes, mini boxes that don't go the full width of a column, square boxes, fancy boxes, circle boxes. It's just amazing. Oh, goodness, look at that. Oh, wow. That's amazing. I love that. So we've got an open box there, which I feel like this used to be either a Monday through Sunday or a checklist box. And I feel like she's left this open so you can kind of use it in any way you want. Then we have our 3 sets of headers, page flags, 3 bow checklists. There's scripts. We have some layering shapes, colorful icons that match the kit, your habit trackers. Oh my god. Look at the bottom washi. This is so beautiful. This is so delicate and girly and dainty. It's just lovely. Really, really pretty. I love that it's paired with rose gold foil. One of the things that I've learned about myself, and it's a tricky one because I literally just saw a kit this week that I fell in love with that had purple in it. And one of the things that I found out about myself last year was if a kit has purple in it, I absolutely prefer it to be paired with rose gold foil over gold foil. And I say that knowing I literally just picked up a kit that has purple in it and that has gold foil. And I don't know. So I don't know that I'm being necessarily very strict with that rule, but I do know that it's definitely been my preference for a kit that's got purple in it to have rose gold foil. For some reason, visually, that just is a little bit more appealing for me. And so I have 3 sets of the Floral Deco, which is just amazing. Oh, we've got like some trims. I feel like we've got some great options in the Floral Deco on this page between the trims, the bunches, the single items, and then the frames. Absolutely adorable. I really love that scallop circle shape. And then her layering add-on, which is absolutely fabulous. I love the archways and the little square box, the quarter boxes, the scallop dividers and icons. Absolutely incredibly functional add-on. So this is a stunning kit that I definitely anticipate using this spring because I am such a fan of this artwork and I love the images. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having an amazing day and I will see you next video. Bye.